Welcome to the Cal Waste Recycles Right mobile app tutorial. First, we're going to go to the App Store and search for Cal Waste Recycles Right. If you have a mobile device not from Apple, then you will use the Google Play Store. The app will appear here, at which point you'll tap Install on the right-hand side. Once the app is installed, you can tap Open on the right-hand side. When the app opens, it allows you to enter your address at the top. This will give you information about Cal Waste services at your address. For this tutorial, we are using a test address, 9999 Test Street in Galt. Once the address is entered, it will show you your service schedule. If you tap the magnifying glass on the bottom, you will pull up the Waste Wizard, where you can search for various household items to see how to properly dispose of them. To the right of the magnifying glass is our large item pickup scheduling tool, which is only available in select areas. Here you can select large items to have picked up at your curb. You can request a date of when you would like to have the service completed. To the right of the large item pickup tool is the More option to view other options. Here you can set up service day reminders, find a new address if you're moving, jump to our online bill pay portal for select areas, get information about debris boxes, and lastly, call Cal Waste to speak to a representative. We hope this video helps you make the most of the Cal Waste Recycles Right mobile app. If you experience any issues with the app, please reach out to us via email at customerservice@cal-waste.com.